Okay, welcome back. Today's slides, we're going to do 9, 10, 11, and 12. So these four, okay? In this slide 9, we're going to talk about our specials. I went ahead and typed in all the different specials that we have: PE, computer, music, art, library, okay? Blank is my favorite special because, so type in your favorite special here, and then tell me why. Why was that your favorite? These are all the cool things that we did in the special area classes this year. What's something cool you did in your specials classes? Okay. And then answer all these questions. An activity I was really good at, an activity I got better at, that was new to me, that I enjoyed, all that kind of stuff. Okay. So this is talking all about our specials. And then lots of learning, awesome things we did in science this year. What are all the cool things we did in science this year? Things that we learned in social studies, and then cool words I can spell. My writing is way better now too. There's a little sample from part of my exciting writing. Okay, they give you a sentence starter, and then you can kind of type in a little story right there, kind of add in some details. And then check out my math, my skill solving this tough math problem. Okay, you could type in a math problem right there and solve it for me. Okay, recess time. This is talking all about recess. The best thing about recess is sometimes at recess I like to what? If we have indoor recess, what did you like to do? And if you look for me during recess, you'll usually find me doing what? And then the last one that we're going to do today is all about lunch, okay? So, again, type in your answers and then go from there. Remember, if you delete or you need to undo, head up to the top. There's that little left hand arrow button pointing to the left. Click it, and it will give you back your box. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.